To create a YouTube channel banner, start by opening any design software and selecting a custom. Set the width to 2560 pixels and the height to 1440 pixels. The options for custom sizing are similar across various design tools. For instance, in Photoshop, it will appear like this. In Canva, the custom sizing fields of width and height will look like this. For guidance on why the dimensions of 2560 pixels width and 1440 pixels in height are ideal for a YouTube banner, refer to this Dozro article. Check the link in the description. Begin with your design by incorporating text and visuals, ensuring that all elements remain centered within the image. To accurately position your components, visit this page on Dozro website and scroll down to download this YouTube banner-sized template photo, which will help you solve sizing issues. The central yellow-colored area represents the safest zone that is always displayed on all devices. This black area on the left and this black area on the right side only displays on computer devices. So, right-click over the image and download it. Then upload it to your design software. Overlay this template on above your own design by either copying and pasting it and expanding it to match it with your own design of the banner. Lower the transparency of the template photo so that your design is visible beneath it. The most crucial design elements such as your channel name should be within the highlighted yellow area, which represents the safest central portion of the template. So, in this example, I must move the channel name text downward so that it should not be cropped out on mobile and computer devices. Once you've determined the correct position of elements, remove the template photo. Adjust the position of text and visuals of your design, ensuring your YouTube banner is responsive across all devices, including mobile phones, desktops, and TVs. Repeat the process of matching the template photo with your own design if necessary. On the upper and lower portion of YouTube banner, you can show less important elements because it is visible only when a user opens your YouTube channel on TV screen. When I upload the banner to my YouTube channel, it aligns flawlessly with the default containers across all devices. I have actually outlined the easiest way to address the YouTube banner sizing issue, making it accessible even for those without any technical expertise in pixels. Did you know that you can download ready-made HD quality channel banners for free from the Dozro website? Dozro also offers professional design services to create your YouTube channel banner in the perfect size. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please show your support by giving the video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.